Hello everyone, this is UPSC 2023 Agriculture Optional question paper. So the question is discuss the package of the guava cultivation with reference to soil and climate, propagation, varieties, disease management and Bahar treatment. So it is a 20 marks question and we have to take all the points like soil and climate, propagation, varieties, disease management and Bahar treatment. So the scientific name of the guava is Pseudium guazava and it is often called the apple of the tropics. Is an important fruit crop known for its high nutritive value, adaptability, and regular bearing. So, in this way, you can write the brief introduction about the guava. Now, the package of practices for guava cultivation. So, first is soil and climate. So, it is generally grown in the tropical and the subtropical climate with an annual rainfall of 1000 to 1500 mm. Optimum temperature required is 23 to 28 degrees Celsius, and excessive humidity should be avoided as it reduces the fruit set during flowering, and it grows well on a wide range of soils from sandy loam to clay loam with good drainage, and pH should be between 6.5 to 7.5. So these are the points that must be considered by under soil and the climate conditions. Now propagation. The guava is commercially propagated by the vegetative means, and the common methods include air layering, also called the gute, budding and grafting. So what we do in the air layering, we cut the branch of a plant, and we apply the soil around that, and we cover it, and after 30 days we will see that roots have grown from that. So we will cut that branch and we will grow that branch into the soil so that another plant can be grown. So that is called the air layering. And budding and grafting, what we do, suppose we have a plant and we want to incorporate the superior quality traits into that plant. So we will select the healthy rootstock of our plant and the varieties that you want to incorporate into that. Suppose example, you want to incorporate the qualities of the Allahabad Safeda because it is a very high quality guava. So we will cut the branch of that Allahabad Safeda and we will insert that branch into the rootstock of our variety, and we will cover it for around 15 to 17 days, and we will see that after 15 to 17 days the leaves will come from that branch and that will start growing in our plants. Then rootstocks such as Pseudium cuzavalis are used for resistance to wilt and the nematodes. Similarly, like we have taken Allahabad Safeda to incorporate the quality traits. For example, similarly, to get disease resistant varieties also we can take rootstocks of those varieties. Then under varieties, popular varieties are Allahabad Safeda, Lucknow 49 Sardar, Arka Mridula, Lalit, Shweta, Dharwar and L49. And the red flesh varieties like Lalit and Arka Kiran, they have gained preference due to their color and the antioxidant values. And Arka Rashmi is a high yielding and wilt tolerant variety. So these are some of the popular varieties of the guava that you can mention in your answer. Then disease management, there are so many diseases, but it is of we have to take so many points. So we will discuss only two diseases under this question. So the first is guava wilt. It is a fungal disease which is caused by the Fusarium species, and it causes the yellowing of leaves followed by the complete drying of leaves and twigs. And measures to control the guava wilt are uproot and burn the trees showing the severe symptoms. So we can uproot those parts or we can burn those trees, and drenching the soil with the brassicol and spraying the plant with Bevestin 0.1% at an interval of 15 days, and application of Trichoderma hazarium at planting. So these are the measures to control the guava wilt disease. Then another disease is anthracnose, also called the dieback disease. It is called by the Guliosporium side. Mostly it affects the tender parts of the tree such as young leaves, shoots, flowers and fruits. And measures to control the anthracnose are pruning of the diseased part, spraying copper oxychloride 0.3% and carbendazim 0.1%. So in this way we can manage the diseases of the guava. Now the Bahar treatment, also called the crop regulation. The guava bears thrice a year, like Ambe Bahar, that is grown in the spring season, Mrig Bahar in the monsoon season, and the Hast Bahar in the winter season. So what is the need of Bahar treatment? Like suppose in North India, generally the winter variety, that is the Hast Bahar, is uh, most commonly grown as it is high quality traits, and generally all over the India or all over the world, only one crop is grown in a year. So generally winter variety is chosen in the North India. So what we will do, we will prevent the other varieties to be grown. So To prevent the other varieties, we do the Bahar treatment. So it regulation Bahar regulation, it involves the withholding irrigation or use of growth regulators such as NAD, NAA, flower thinning, root and shoot pruning. So these are some of the treatments that prevent the propagation or that prevent the growth of other Bahars to continue the growing of only one variety. And then it is followed by uh, manuring and irrigation to synchronize the flowering in the desired season. So these are the Bahar regulation treatments. So hence, through proper soil management, selection of the improved varieties, integrated disease management and scientific Bahar regulation, guava cultivation can be made highly productive and sustainable. So in this way you can attempt your question. Thank you and keep watching my videos.